Hi guys, today we are going to talk about a new service launched by EBIS Filing, which is known as Business Consultancy Services. So today we are going to talk about what Business Consultancy Services is all about, what are the various components of the same, and how can you avail these services here. So the business plan or the business consultancy services are designed to help the new entrepreneurs strategize and plan the various aspects of the business. So many a times it happens that we have a great idea but we do not know how to implement the same. So the business consultancy services is the right product for you, wherein we'll be helping you out to plan your business in such a manner that you maximize profit at the end of the day. There are mainly three components of a business consultancy services, namely operations consultancy, second marketing consultancy, and lastly financial consultancy. So let's get started and understand each of them in detail. So let's understand what this operational consultancy services is all about. Majorly there are three heads under the same. First is product or service plan, second is personnel plan, and third is equipment or machinery plan. Well, whenever you start a business and when you have an idea, you need to ensure that you enlist the list of products or services that you are going to market and sell to your end user. So here we'll help you out in analyzing and finalizing your product and service plan. Second is personal plan. For any business to get started with, we need to ensure that we have the right amount of people with us so that we can ensure that our plan is laid out successfully. The third is equipment or machinery plan. For any business, the product that we sell, there is a set standard for the equipments and machineries required. So we need to ensure that we make a perfect plan of the equipments or machineries required so that we can get started as soon as possible. The second component of business consultancy services is the marketing consultancy services, which includes various heads such as market analysis, digital marketing plan, and events or promotion plan. A market analysis plan is a descriptive study of a market under a given industry, which will study the demographics, the competitor study, the target segment study, and it will be a study wherein it will give the entrepreneur an idea as to how to position the product efficiently. The digital marketing plan will include strategies of marketing your product or your service using various social media platforms in the most cost-effective manner. The next is the promotional plan and the events plan. Here we'll design and launch a plan for the internal as well as external promotions of the business, and we'll also design and launch an event plan wherein we can organize an event, we can cater it to a larger audience, and we can also do it in the most cost-effective manner. And the most important component of business consultancy services is the financial consultancy services, wherein we will include the pricing plan of your business as well as the financial projections of the business. Now under the pricing plan, we will decide the best pricing for the products or the services that we are going to sell to the end user so as to earn maximum profits and reduce the costs. The financial projections will include all the strategies laid out previously and will give an idea about the cost estimation, the revenue forecast, and the sales projections for the upcoming years to the entrepreneur. This will help the entrepreneur to build the business effectively and plan the activities accordingly and to earn the maximum profits out of it. So I hope I was able to explain it to you in detail as to what business consultancy services is all about. This is going to be the wisest decision of your journey as an entrepreneur, wherein you can sit back and relax and focus on your core business while we lay out the most effective and efficient business plan for you. You can avail this business consultancy services by dropping your queries in the comment section below, and one of our managers will contact you. There will be a dedicated SPOC who will ensure to deliver the services of your project end to end. So this is Anuja signing off. Till then, take care, be safe.